Life seems to be going off the rails and you just can't figure out how to get back on track? Don't worry, I've got the perfect blueprint to help you regain control and thrive again. Stick around, because this video might be exactly what you need to take back control of your life. Today, I'm sharing 8 powerful steps to help you take charge and transform everything around you, starting with yourself. No fluff, just real, practical advice that actually works. Trust me, these steps have saved me, and they can save you too. Step 1. Cleanse your vessel. First things first, clean yourself up. Sounds basic, right? But you'd be surprised how much your self-perception changes when you start treating yourself like you actually matter. Shower, brush your teeth, wear something that makes you feel good. This small ritual signals to your brain that you're worth the effort. It's not just about hygiene, it's about telling yourself, I care. Start here and watch everything else follow. Step 2. Order your space. Your environment reflects your mental state. If your room looks like chaos, guess what? That's exactly what your mind feels like. Clean it up. I'm talking a deep clean. Throw out the junk, organize your stuff, and create a space that feels fresh. Once your space is clear, you'll find that your mind is clearer too. It's a game changer for your productivity and peace of mind. Step 3. Get out there. Next, stop hiding. We're not meant to live like hermits. When you've got your personal space sorted, venture out. It's easy to stay inside and scroll through life, but that's a trap. The world is waiting for you. Get out, meet people, feel the sun on your face, and get those legs moving. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel when you reconnect with the outside world. Step 4. Break a sweat. Want a magic pill for more energy, a better mood, and a healthier life? It's called exercise. Move your body every day, even if it's just a short walk. When you sweat, you're not only boosting your physical health, but you're also sharpening your mind. It's one of the best investments you can make in yourself. Step 5. Monitor your finances. Money matters, and you can't ignore it. Giant corporations are designed to bleed you dry with subscriptions and mindless spending. Take control of your money. Track your expenses, cut the waste, and start saving. Checking your bank balance regularly might sting, but that sting will push you to take action. It's time to stop letting your money slip away. Step 6. Cut the hooks. What are you hooked on? Social media, notifications, unhealthy habits? These things pull you back into the same cycles, keeping you stuck. It's time to cut them off. Unfollow accounts, unsubscribe from email lists, and silence the noise that's distracting you from your goals. Remove what's unnecessary and free yourself from the distractions holding you back. Step 7. Develop a strategy. You wouldn't expect to win a game without a strategy, so why would you expect to win at life without one? Successful people plan their moves. It's time for you to do the same. Write down your goals, figure out what's stopping you, and create a plan to overcome it. Even a simple strategy will make a huge difference in where you end up. Step 8. Take action now. Last but not least, stop overthinking and start doing. You've made the plan, now trust it and move forward. The longer you wait, the more likely you'll talk yourself out of it. Turn off the noise in your head and just act. The more you practice this, the easier it will become. And soon, that voice in your head pushing you forward will be the strongest one. These 8 steps are simple but powerful. Each one builds on the last, creating momentum that will push you forward, even when things feel tough. Start small, take control, and watch how quickly your life turns around. Want to dive deeper into these steps and learn exactly how to make them work for you? Watch the full breakdown on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Your future self will thank you.